Meelo App Empire review no-code iOS app building 0 o'clock to 0:20 hook. What if you could build a real iPhone app and get it approved on the App Store? Without hiring developers, without coding, and without being a tech person? That's the core promise behind Meelo App Empire, a step-by-step system that shows you how to go from idea to a live app, using a no-code approach and an AI-driven workflow. Meelo App Empire 0:20 to 1:05. The big opportunity. Why apps? The sales page frames this as the app economy moment. It cites a massive market and growth claims, like the App Store projected revenue in 2026, growth of the ecosystem, and the idea that iOS users generate higher revenue per install than Android. The simple pitches: if you can publish apps that solve real problems, you're tapping into a huge demand pool instead of fighting for attention in overcrowded markets. Meelo App Empire 1:05 to 1:55. Real proof. 2 apps live on the App Store. What makes this offer different is the page emphasizes proof, not theory. The creator says he built an app based on his own experience, then turned it into an app without developers and without coding, built a website for it, and published it. Meelo App Empire. Then the page shows a second app called FitStart, described as a fitness tracking app that was built live while recording the training. And the point is, this is presented as a repeatable process, not a one-time fluke. Meelo App Empire 1:55 to 2:45. The brutal truth plus what they don't teach. They also make a big distinction. This isn't about spamming the App Store or cloning popular apps. The page explicitly says they don't teach shady tactics or low-value junk apps, and instead focus on building original apps that solve problems and follow Apple's guidelines properly. Meelo App Empire. That matters because the fastest way to fail is getting rejected or worse, getting banned. To 45 to 3:40. Important. Apple developer program fee and how to start without paying. Let's talk about the one thing people worry about: Apple's developer fee. The page clearly explains you'll need an Apple developer account, $99 year only when you're ready to publish to the App Store. But it also stresses you can do the training, build your apps, and get everything ready without paying Apple first, then pay only when you decide you're ready to hit submit. Meelo App Empire. And if you prefer not to pay Apple at all, the page includes an Android alternative. Publish on Google Play with a one-time $25 registration fee, and it notes faster approvals and a bigger Android user base with a bonus module covering Google Play submission. Meelo App Empire 3:40 to 4:30. What you learn inside training structure. Inside Meelo App Empire, the page says you get 14 modules that take you from zero to published app, including the key moment where they reveal the exact platform used to build apps without coding, plus mindset, niche selection, what works in the current app ecosystem, and step-by-step building and submission guidance. Meelo App Empire 4:30 to 5:30. Bonuses that make this faster: ideas plus templates plus checklists. The sales page also stacks bonuses aimed at speed and approval. A 50 profitable app ideas database, App Store screenshot templates, a rejection prevention checklist, a monetization calculator, spreadsheet, an App Store screenshot resizer tool, 100 additional profitable app ideas, an ISO checklist to help rank for organic downloads, App Store description templates, and an AI prompt pack for app building covering ideation to marketing. Meelo App Empire 5:30 to 6:10. Timeline plus expectations realistic. They claim many students published their first app into 2 for weeks, depending on the complexity of the app and the time you can commit. Meelo App Empire. Now, real talk. Apps can absolutely make money, but nothing is automatic. Your results depend on choosing a real problem, building something useful, and doing basic ASO and marketing. This is a tool plus training system, not a lottery ticket. 6:10 to 6:45. Price plus guarantee and refund. Condition. At the time of the page, the offer is positioned at $27 one time with lifetime access, and it warns the price may increase later. Meelo App Empire. It also states a 30-day money-back guarantee, with a condition that you show you actually attempted to create and upload an app because they want buyers who genuinely try the system. Meelo App Empire 6:45 to 7:05. CTA. If you've wanted to publish apps but coding was the wall, Meelo App Empire is designed to remove that barrier and walk you through the full process: idea, build, approval, and monetization. If you want to check it out, use my link in the description and comment your niche: fitness, productivity, kids learning, journaling, local business, because I'll reply with 10 app ideas that are actually realistic for a beginner to build and publish.